The military two-step commences side by side. Gent, of course, will commence left foot, lady on the right foot. We're going to point the foot forward and pause. 1, 2. We swivel on gent's right, lady left, and close. Left boy, right girl, and pause again. Now we're going to swivel and then walk 3 steps forward, turning a half to face against the line of dance. 1, 2, gent turns right, lady turns left, and we're now facing against the line with the gent's right foot, lady left foot extended forward. I'll show it to you just one more time, and I'll just count it for you. And point. Point, pause, close, pause. Walk, 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 swivel against, to face against the line. Now the second 4 bars commences with the point and the acknowledgement. So the gentleman will point his right foot against the line, turn to face the lady and close with without weight and salute. The lady will point her left foot forward. She does a little ronde of the foot into a very loose curtsy. And 1, 2, 2, 2. Now we have 3 forward walks, turning to face palm. 1, 2, 3, and close without weight. Now this is the first half of the dance. So if I could repeat that in case any of you haven't quite mastered it, because really and truthfully, there's only 8 bars of dance. The remainder is a waltz. So I'll count it for you and point, pause, close, pause, walk, 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 turn, point, pause, acknowledge, walk, 1, 2, 3, and close. The last 8 bars of dance is just waltzing into 4 time. So we're just going to waltz 1 and 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 2, 4 and 2, 5 and 2, 6 and 2, 7 and 2, and away 2, 3 to our commencing position.